Good afternoon, dear students. So, we have learned the new lesson of English. The name of the lesson is Pinocchio. Page number 77. So, in the online session, we have learnt about the puppet whose name was Pinocchio. So, now let us read the story and understand what is there in the story. So, a very long time ago, there was one piece of wood. There was one piece of wood, and this piece of wood, the people used to use it for firewood. Means in the winter season, they used to burn this firewood, and with the help of this, they used to take the warmth of the fire during the winter seasons. So, in the same way, there was one firewood. It was a piece of wood, but this piece of wood, it was different, because whenever the carpenter used to take this block of wood to give a cut or a shape, at that time this piece of wood used to start talking. He used to say that, please don't break me, it hurts me, and also I get tickles. After some time, there came one man. His name was Geppetto. Geppetto told the carpenter that he wanted to make a wooden puppet who would walk, run, and who would enjoy the world on his own. So the carpenter gave the piece of wood who used to talk to Geppetto. Now Geppetto went home, and with the help of this piece of wood, he made a beautiful loving puppet. The Geppetto thought that he is the son of Geppetto. Now the Geppetto thought that this puppet is his son, so he named his puppet as Pinocchio. Now Pinocchio was a very naughty puppet. Geppetto taught Pinocchio to talk, walk, but what Pinocchio did? Pinocchio was so naughty that he used to run outside the house. He used to run so fast that Geppetto was not able to catch him. So the police who were outside, they used to catch Pinocchio and bring back to Geppetto. Now Pinocchio was very loving, but he was also very naughty. Now Geppetto loved his puppet, his son Pinocchio, very much. But Pinocchio, he did not love his father, and he did not listen to his father. He continued with all his naughtiness. He used to make promises that he will not do bad things, he will not be naughty anymore, he will be a good boy. But he did not listen to anyone and continued to do all his mischiefs and forget all his promises. Pinocchio, he wanted to be a good boy. He said that he wanted to be a good boy. He wanted to become a real boy. He wanted to become the real son of Geppetto. But after all, he was just a wooden puppet, so he cannot become a good real boy. Now, Pinocchio, he was very naughty, and in this lesson they have given us some naughtiness about Pinocchio. But if we want to learn more about Pinocchio, we can read the book, which book is called The Adventures of Pinocchio. In this book we can read many silly things about Pinocchio. Now Pinocchio, he wanted to go to school. He thought that in one day he will learn to read, next day he will learn to write, and on the third day he will learn maths. So students, is it possible to learn all these things in just one day? No, it is not possible. If we want to learn so many things, we take a lot of years. It take a lot of years, lots of efforts to be a good person, to learn many things about school. So when Geppetto heard that Pinocchio wanted to go to school, what Geppetto did? It was winter season, it was very cold, but Pinocchio was not having books. So, to give books to Pinocchio, Geppetto sold his coat in the cold season, and from that money he brought books for Pinocchio. So, Pinocchio, he started going to school because he got the books now. But when he was going to school, On the way, he saw that there was one puppet show. And what did Pinocchio do now? Pinocchio, he wanted to go to the puppet show. So he was not having money for ticket. So what he did, he sold all his books and he got a ticket for himself. So with that books, he got some money and he bought one ticket for the puppet show. And he went inside to the puppet show and he forgot everything, that he want to go to school, he want to become a good boy, he forgot everything. He just went inside to see the puppet show. Now when Pinocchio went inside the puppet show, there his friends or his brother, they were there, they were also puppet and Pinocchio was also a puppet. So when his brother saw that Pinocchio was also there, the brothers of Pinocchio, they became very happy, and from the middle of the show they started shouting that Pinocchio, come on the stage. So Pinocchio, he jumped and within 2 jumps he reached on the stage. And in the middle of the show, all these three, they began to make lot of noise. They were very happy. They were slapping each other on the back and they were hugging each other. They were so happy that they were jumping and clapping all the time. But the people who came to see this show, they were not happy at all, because this was a disturbance in the middle of the show and all the people began to shout. Now the puppet master, he became very, very angry and he said that now I am going to throw this Pinocchio into the fire. But Pinocchio's friends, means the other 2 puppets, they become very sad and they said that please leave our friend Pinocchio, please don't put him in the fire. If you want to put him in the fire, please put me, but leave Pinocchio. Now Pinocchio was naughty boy, but also he was a good boy by his heart. His heart was very good. So he said that no, it is all my mistake and I am sorry, but please leave my friends. I am ready to go into the fire. Please put me in the fire. I am ready to give my life for my friends, but please leave my friends. The puppet master, he became very angry, but also he was not a bad master. He was also good by his heart. So what he did, he said that okay, you also go and your friends can also go. When Pinocchio told the story about his father, the wicked master, the puppet's master, he became very sad and instead of becoming angry, he gave 5 gold coins to Pinocchio and he told that you give this coin to Geppetto. Now do you think Pinocchio gave these coins to Geppetto? No, Pinocchio did not give these coins to Geppetto. Instead he became very naughty and he started doing more mischief things, and because of this coin he fell into the trouble. Now when Pinocchio was going on his way, 2 robbers caught him and they began to take coins from Pinocchio. But the good fairy saw that they are troubling Pinocchio and she came and she saved Pinocchio from the robbers. But when she asked that what happened, Pinocchio told a lie. And when he told a lie, a strange thing happened to him. What happened to him? When he told a lie, his nose grew longer and longer. Whenever he told any lie, his nose used to become long and long. So Pinocchio got frightened and he said that please fairy, please leave me. Now I will be a good boy, but please make me normal. I will not tell lie anymore. But Pinocchio did not continue to be a good boy. Again he began all his naughty things and he forgot all his promises. He did not listen to fairy, he did not listen to Geppetto. He started continue telling the lies. One day a big shark swallowed Pinocchio. Now Pinocchio was very sorry for all the things he have done. He said that now I am very sorry. Now I have fallen into a very big problem. Now I cannot get out of this easily. So students, Whenever you tell any lie, you will fall into a big problem, and that problem will not be easy. It will be very difficult for you all to come out of the problem. So same way Pinocchio was also into a big problem. But when he was inside the stomach of the shark, he saw some light, and when he went towards the light, he saw that there was Geppetto. So he became very happy that he found Geppetto. So what Pinocchio did? Pinocchio said that, Geppetto, please, daddy, please don't get frightened. Please, father, I will take you out of the shark's stomach. So Pinocchio, he helped Geppetto to come out of the stomach of the shark, and he brought Geppetto safely to the shore. How Geppetto went inside the stomach? Geppetto was very sad when Pinocchio was lost. So for finding Pinocchio, Geppetto went on the ship to find Pinocchio everywhere. So when he was on the ship, the big shark swallowed him from the ship. That's why Geppetto was also inside the stomach of shark. So now when Pinocchio brought Geppetto safely to the shore, after that, from that day, Pinocchio became a good boy. He used to help his father, and he was very hardworking now. He was a good boy now. One day, when he came to know that the fairy was very ill, she was not feeling well. At that time, Pinocchio gave all his savings, all his money to the fairy so that she can look after her properly. When the fairy came to know that Pinocchio helped her, she became very happy. And from that day, the fairy made Pinocchio a real boy. Now, Pinocchio was a real boy. He was not a puppet anymore. Why he was a real boy? He became a real boy because he helped the fairy, and now he was a good boy. So we learnt one thing from this story, that we should never speak lie. If we speak a lie, we can fall into a very big problem, and it will be very difficult for us to come out of the problem. So always speak the truth and save yourself from lies. So we will meet in the next class with the new lesson. Thank you.